candidates beyond the main categories. The first special award is the first minor award rather is for a candidate who stood out during the production number.
The staff award best production number is redeemed by Honorable Vicky Frio together with Honorable Gilbert Casamayor.
Barangay New Iloilo, our best in production goes to Cheese Mutya. Best in production, Mutya number 12.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die. Hey, swing those hips around. Can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for it all. Break free of history. This train is racing straight ahead. No man can do like I can. I'm the queen of the land. Haters gonna hate. Won't be sorry now. Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law, and you've been served. One by one, billion by billion, been holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on time. Whether you're ready or not, time for a girl on time.
Competition.
The staff award best in staff is redeemed by Honorable Archie Amon and Honorable Felicitas Maria Staff.
Our best in play suit goes to Cheese Mutya Award. Congratulations, best in play suit, Mutya number 13. Congratulations, Mutya 13. The next minor award is for a well-spoken candidate during a preliminary interview. She gave her best answer and showed so much confidence, wit, conviction, and substance.
The staff award best in preliminary interview is redeemed by Honorable Roland Diaz and Honorable Francis J. Aligardas.
Our best in interview Minor Award is for the woman of class and style. This award recognizes a candidate who have best represented elegance and grace in the evening gown competition. The beautiful candidate whose talent into overdrive in the evening gown is Mutya Number. From this side, Mutya Number. From this side, Mutya Number. Best in evening gown goes to. Once again, Mutya 9.
The staff of our best evening gown is composed by Honorable Nathan Nagos and Honorable Rosa.
For bagging number 2 minor awards. Congratulations! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Your winners for the minor awards. Palakpakan po natin sila mga kaibigan. Congratulations, ladies, for a job well done. And to the other candidates who haven't received a minor award yet, don't lose hope, guys, because you still have a great chance to be on our top 5. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Barangay Iloilo, are you all ready? Argentino, are you all ready? Thank you so much to our official tabulator, STI. Maraming salamat po. The result is now in my hand, and all I can say, hosting tonight's pageant has been very exciting, but now it gets to get even more thrilling. The moment has come to meet our top 5 candidates. I will announce our top 5 in no particular order. The first Mutya. On our top 5, congratulations! Mutya 12!
Let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
The second spot in the top 5 is to have a great chance to be our Mutya Iloilo 2024. Congratulations! Please step forward, Mutya! Mutya 9!
Let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
The third spot in the top 5. Who do you think, guys? Sino sa tingin niyo? The third spot is given to Mutya 4!
Let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
The fourth spot in the top 5 is she's Mutya. Sino? Mutya 13.
Let's get it. Barcelona, come on.
There is only one spot left to complete our top 5. Kahit ako, pinakamahal sa oras na ito. Ladies, don't forget this. If your number wasn't called, it doesn't mean that this is the end of your journey. Always remember that this is the beginning of your path towards success and to be the future queen. You are all amazing and you are all winners. Palapakan po natin sila. Pwede po ba palapakan natin? Of course, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. But we have to announce the last spot in the top 5. The remaining spot goes to Barangay Iloilo Sino! You still have a great chance to be our queen tonight! Mutya This time, our top 5 candidates will face the most crucial part of this competition, the final interview, wherein they will showcase again their wit and intelligence in answering the final question. This is the moment where our candidates will showcase not just their beauty, but eloquence and ability to think on their feet. Our candidates will be given one common question, and this is back to zero basis. Remember, this round is the most important and significant part of the competition because it will be the basis of our board of judges in getting to know our Mutiana New Iloilo 2024. But this time, the first candidate to answer is candidate number 12, and the other ladies will be isolated. Good luck to all of you. Again, Barangay New Iloilo, the final interview is the most important and crucial part of this competition because we will get to know our Mutiana New Iloilo 2024 based on the final interview. The crown is within reach. Candidate number 12, join me here on stage. While the other candidates will be isolated, kasi bibigyan ko sila ng one common question to answer for the final interview. Again, to all the supporters na nandito po, I'd like to ask everybody